What is up, my little entrepreneurs? It's your girl Just.J and welcome back to another episode of, well, Just.J. So today we will be unboxing another one of Être game changers, and that is called the AGEBLOC Skincare System, which is good golly one of my favorite sets ever. The AGEBLOC Skincare System is recommended for dry skin girls and boys like me, and as well as 30-plus-year-old aging skin. So if you guys are looking for anti-aging, this set is the one for you. I honestly cannot wait to open this up. Fun facts about this particular set is it also has breakthrough technologies, and that is called the cell rebirth technology. So cell rebirth technology is basically a technology with stem cells in it. So yeah, ladies and gents, this product has stem cells inside it. And if you know any product that has stem cells on it, it's quite expensive. Yeah, been there, done that. So what is this stem cell that we are talking about? This stem cell is actually a cultured apple from Switzerland. And it is called the Être. I'm German now. So they noticed that the Être takes weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks before it rots, unlike an ordinary apple where if you just leave it there unstored properly, not stored properly, it'll rot in just a matter of days. But the Être takes weeks and weeks and weeks until it actually rots. So what they did is they took this Être and put it into their laboratory for tests, and put like a skin cell beside it to see if it would regenerate just as fast. To their amazement, guys, it did. The skin cells regenerated just as quickly as the Être. That is why we put the Être in our ingredients to ensure the fast regeneration of our cells. So yes, let us open it up. This is what it looks like inside. Unlike the Serum was kind of blue. It's not even kind of, it's blue. But the AGEBLOC is all white with hints of blue. So yeah. So what is inside the AGEBLOC Skincare System? We have the facial wash, the pore detox toner, the Egf Serum, and the Serum Foundation. If you've noticed, we don't have the soap. The AGEBLOC does not have a soap, and that is because soap actually controls oil. I just figured that out now. Like, I didn't know that it did. So yeah, they decided to opt for a more hydrating option and a facial wash, which is perfect for it. So yeah, let us dive into these products one by one. So first we have the facial wash. Honestly, I don't know how this works. It doesn't focus. It removes makeup and impurities, cleans without drying, refreshes and energizes skin, and stimulates blood circulation. Honestly, the first time I used this, so guys, I've been using this particular set for like 6 days now. Honestly, my skin has never felt hydrated this much. Like, unlike my hair that kind of looks dry, my face is quite hydrated. As you can see, I have a glow, which is quite rare for dry skin people to actually have a glow. So yeah, this is the facial wash. When you use it, put it on your palm, and then you just rub your hands together. Make sure that it foams, and then you rub it gently on your face in circular motion. Yeah. So that is how you use it, and I kid you not, the moment I was done with using the facial wash and I just wiped my face with my towel, not once did I feel an ounce of dryness in my face. It is very hydrating, it's very moisturizing, so I love this product actually. This is what I use now. Ever since I used it, I can't live without it. So on to the next product, we have the Pore Detox Toner. So with the toner, it removes deep-seated dirt on your face. Just use a cotton pad, and then after you do the facial wash, you wipe it with your cotton pad. Double cleanse, guys, is important. As I said, the last unboxing. So it also helps reduce enlarged pores. I'm not sure if you can see, but my pores is nowhere to be seen. So yeah. It also hydrates and comforts the tones. It hydrates and comforts and tones the skin. So I noticed that after 3 days of using this product, these skincare products, my blemishes lightened. Like I used to have like acne scars here and here, but it disappeared. So I was legit amazed. Like I kid you not, I was amazed. I yelled at my colleagues and I was like, oh my goodness, my pimple is gone, my scar is gone, my dark spot is gone. So yeah, I was actually amazed. Like, and it gently soothes and refreshes your skin. The toner is super gentle that you can even use it twice. And by twice, I mean like after you use a facial wash, you use a cotton pad with the toner on it, you wipe your face, and then you can put some of the toner on the tip of your fingers and then just dab it lightly onto your skin so that your skin can absorb more of the hydration that's going on in this product. So yeah, it is that gentle that you can use it twice. It also refreshes and energizes your skin. Like, I kid you not, when I woke up the next day, I had a glow. I will insert a clip here. So this was the first day that I used the product. When I woke up, I had a freaking glow. So, all right, now that was the toner, and now we have the Serum Foundation. Okay, so the Serum Foundation is basically the day cream for the AGEBLOC Skincare System, only it's called a Serum Foundation. So just like the day cream of the Renew Skincare System, the Serum Foundation also functions as a sunblock. It has SPF 45, again, high enough to block UVA and UVB, but not too high to be that heavy on your face. Like, I kid you not, when I wore this, I couldn't even feel it on my face. I'm actually wearing it now. So this is what I use now as a foundation. It's very, the coverage is very nice and it's not heavy. It hydrates my skin, plus it's a sunblock. It also acts as a concealer. It also has blurring effect. So, what more can I ask for? This is what I cannot live without, for real. I cannot live without. So, it is very hydrating. If you can see, my face looks plump and glowing. I don't look matte at all when I actually put powder, a bit of powder. I'd look matte, but I'm still glowing. It is also very hydrating due to it having hyaluronic acid as a part of its ingredient, and hyaluronic acid is quite a famous ingredient for hydrating the skin. So yes, it also is anti-aging because, you know, we put the feathers but love cells inside our product, so you'll be looking young and fresh forever. And it also evens your skin tone due to it having a little bit of glutathione just to reduce your dark spots, which explains why my dark spots disappeared. So yeah, that is the Serum Foundation. And lastly, we have one of my favorites, which is second to the Serum Foundation. I just love a good foundation. We have the Egf Serum, or the Epidermal Growth Factor Serum. And again, it does not focus. Okay. So what the Egf Serum does is that it visibly reduces fine lines and wrinkles. What wrinkles? What wrinkles? Who? Yeah. Right. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, it visibly reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It promotes smooth texture, restores skin moisture balance, and boosts hydration and radiance. So the first time I opened one of these bottles, one of the Egf serums, I noticed like how thick the consistency was. Look at that. Hold on. See how thick that is? Okay. So I was kind of skeptical at first, but when I used it, girl and boys, it was very hydrating and it was kind of cooling on the face. and it absorbed really quickly into my face, like into my skin. Like it absorbed real quick onto my skin. When I was like, you know, just rubbing it with dot, and then rub it on my face, wipe it or whatever. It absorbed really quickly. It just made my face feel hydrated. With this particular set, I honestly cannot live without it. So yeah, the consistency was really thick. I love it. And it smells really nice. Like, I kid you not, it smells really good. And I just love putting it on my face. Sadly, I only put it at night. If I could put it on every day, I would. So yeah, this Egf Serum has the Valospet Lover cells for skin regeneration. It has 3-peptide perfection for collagen synthesis and elasticity. It also has Centella asiatica extract for anti-inflammatory. It has turmeric extract for antibacterial. And lastly, it has aloe vera extract for nourishment. That explains the thickness of this product. So yeah, that is it for the AGEBLOC Skincare System. Those are the products inside this particular set. And again, it is recommended for dry skin and 30-plus-year-old aging skin. I mean, don't get me wrong, you shouldn't start using anti-aging products when you're 40 or when you're 30. Okay, you should start using anti-aging products as soon as you get to 20. When you're 20 years old, you know, because you want to keep that youthful glow that you have on your 20s, which is what I have right now, because I mean I'm 26, but who's counting? Yeah, so so yeah, start using anti-aging products in your 20s, because you want to keep that glow, that youthful glow that you have, or that you already have. Here in Être, we don't want to change who you are, okay? It's just a reminder that we don't want to change who you are. We're just here to enhance what you already have, okay? To give you back that confidence that you once had. So that is it for you. That is it for the AGEBLOC Skincare System. We already unboxed 2 of Ethe's Game Changers. There are still more products to come, which we will be doing on our future vlogs. So yeah. That's it. As we say here in Egf, love your skin, respect your beauty. See you on the next Just.J episode. Bye!